Question 4. A cylindrical container of radius 20. So the radius here to here is 20 cm. Contains this much of water. Okay. So this container already carries this much of water. The container is filled with water at a rate of 100 cm cube per second. So water is added at a rate of 100 cm cube every second. Write the formula of the amount of water in the container after t seconds. Okay, so amount of water is denoted by V. That means we use V as volume lah. Okay, so it already had 200 cm cube, and then they are adding water at 100 cm cube per second. So after 2 seconds it will be 200. After 3 seconds it will be 300. So we must multiply by t. This will be volume after t seconds. So let's say if you want to find the volume after 5 seconds, 5 you times 100 plus with 200. So this is the function of V in terms of t. Okay, so we can also write this like this: V in terms of t. Okay, next, the height of water in terms of V. All right, so V is volume, right? So this is a cylinder. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, base, which is a circle, pi r square, times with height. Okay, so now we must make h in terms of V. So making h the subject, so this one we bring here, become divide. So it will become V over pi r square. Okay, so we know the r, the radius, is given as 20. So we can put the 20 inside here, because we want h in terms of V only. We don't want another unknown. So we sub the 20 inside here. We get V over 400 pi. So this is h in terms of V. That's our second answer. Okay. Next, the composite function hvt. Right. So this function, I can write it as h in terms of V. So hv is V over 400 pi. So hx would be x over 400 pi. hvt will be vt over 400 pi. Okay. Then we know what is vt. We found vt earlier. We put this inside here. So it will be 200 plus 100t divided by 400 pi. So we can simplify this. So we can divide everything by 100. So we're going to get 2 plus t over 4 pi. This is hvt. Okay. We delete this. Lastly, question B. Find the height of water after 20 seconds. Okay, good thing is we have height in terms of t. So you put in the t here, you sub in the t inside, we will get the height. So we are finding height after 20 seconds. So if hvt is 2 plus t, hv20 will be 2 plus 20. So 2 plus 20 over 4 pi. This will give us 22 over 4 pi. We can also simplify this, giving us 11 over 2 pi. Okay, just divide it by 2. That's it.